Struggling to stay on top of your finances? Here are the top 10 budgeting apps for 2025 that will change the way you manage money. Hello, welcome to the FinTune YouTube channel. If you're new here, we bring you the best tips and tools to help you save, invest, and grow your money. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 budgeting apps you must use in 2025. These aren't just the same old apps you've heard of. They're cutting-edge, innovative, and designed to make budgeting easier than ever. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who could use a little financial help. Now, let's jump into the list. Simplify by Quicken. Simplify is perfect for tracking your spending and setting goals. Its real-time updates let you see where your money is going and how much you have left for the month. The customizable categories make it ideal for users who want a tailored budgeting experience. YNAB, you need a budget. YNAB is great for people who want to get ahead financially. Its approach focuses on giving every dollar a job so you can avoid overspending. Plus, its debt tracking feature helps you create a plan to pay off loans faster. Monarch Money. This app is like having a personal finance advisor in your pocket. Monarch combines budgeting, financial planning, and goal tracking in one platform. It's perfect for families and couples, as it allows for collaborative budgeting. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a lifesaver when it comes to managing subscriptions. It tracks recurring expenses and even helps you cancel unwanted ones. Plus, it monitors your bills for opportunities to negotiate lower rates. If you're managing finances with a partner, Zeta is for you. It's designed for couples, allowing you to sync accounts, create shared budgets, and track joint expenses. Its communication tools make money discussions easier than ever. Pocketsmith stands out with its future forecasting tool. You can visualize your financial future by entering different scenarios like getting a raise or taking on a new loan. It's a great app for long-term planners. Good Budget is based on the envelope budgeting system, but in digital form. Allocate your income into virtual envelopes for different expenses and track how much is left. It's simple yet effective for those who prefer a hands-on approach. Copilot is an AI-driven app that learns your spending habits and helps you budget accordingly. Its machine learning features provide personalized insights, and it connects seamlessly with your accounts to give you a full financial picture. 9. Plutus. Plutus is a game-changer in 2025. It combines budgeting with crypto rewards. You can link your debit card, budget your expenses, and earn cash back in cryptocurrency. It's ideal for tech-savvy users looking to maximize their spending. 10. Honeydew. Honeydew is perfect for couples or roommates. It helps manage shared expenses, split bills, and keep everyone on the same page. It even allows you to set spending limits for different categories, ensuring no one goes overboard. And there you have it, the top 10 budgeting apps you must use in 2025. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to FinTune, and share it with anyone who wants to take control of their finances. Remember, the first step to financial freedom is effective budgeting. Start today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.